In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can start your next side hustle and start making some passive income at the end of this video with literally just $100. So make sure you watch this video from the beginning till the end so you know exactly what you need to do in order to start making some money in 2020. So let's get started right away with today's money making method. So before I get started with today's method, I just want to talk to you guys about something real quick to tell you what got me to this idea. So whenever I walked inside of a store, then right as soon as I walked in, I seen this, a candy machine that has an out of service sticker on it, guys. Everything around it was empty. So the first thing that came to my mind was, how do I get in contact of the owner so I can put my own machine there? Because I've seen this machine out of service for quite some time, at least a month. So I'm going to show you how you can get started building a candy machine business and grow it to a vending machine business, and even on top of that, how you can make it passive at the end of the day, guys. So I'm going to show you everything in today's video. So the first thing that came to my mind with just $100 was going on getting pre-owned candy machines that work. So I went over here to OfferUp and I just typed in candy machines, and the first thing I seen was a $75 candy machine right here that has 3 sections. So that's going to give the user or the customer 3 different choices of candy. And don't worry, guys, I want to show you where you can buy candy really cheap and how you can start getting profit from this. So as you can see right here, guys, so let's say if we want to purchase this candy machine for $75, so that's going to leave us around $30 to spend on candy, and even some more money if the owner, or if whatever the contract or deal you have with the owner of a store, if the store owner wants you to pay rent, the rent would not be hundreds and thousands of dollars, guys. Don't worry, you can make up, you guys can just communicate on a deal of how much a candy machine can be paid for or rent. Sometimes the owners just let you leave the machine in there for free because it makes the customers stay a little bit longer, because if they have kids, then they will stay a little bit longer because the kid wants, let's say, some candy or something, so I'll buy something inside of the store just to get the quarters in order to buy some candy from your machine, guys. So this is a cool business you can get started with just $100 and a store where you can actually place this product at. So after that, guys, you can come over here, depending on what your budget is, you can buy a antique Astro candy machine for $150, or you can get it like a brand new one for, this one's only $5, but it's a tiny one. I would not recommend you guys getting these small ones. Try to get like the $70 one right here that looks pretty interesting, guys. It has recess, some other different types of candies inside of it, Skittles, Mike Likes, or whatever that brand is. So this is off of eBay, so you can come over here, you can just start buying stuff from here, guys, if you're interested. Or I'm about to show you a website that you can actually buy it brand new. So this is the website right here, guys. It is literally called candymachines.com. So you're going to be able to get some gumball machines at a discounted price. So if we scroll down just a tiny bit, you can see that this little classic one, so the retail price is around $60, but you'll be able to get it for around $54 right now. So there's other ones right here, like the single candy gumball machine would be around $100 or $80 right there. So you can get this 3 choice candy machine right here for almost $200, guys. And yes, these are brand new, so they're going to be a little bit more expensive than the used ones. So if you want to start off with the used ones, go right ahead, but just make sure the used ones work. So once we buy a candy machine, guys, the next step is actually getting candy, or possibly something else that comes up to your mind, like the little bouncy balls or stuff that you can actually buy off of this website itself too. So if we just come over here to bulk candy, over here at bulk candy, guys, you can come over here and start buying some candy. It's pretty cheap, to be honest. It says bulk candy for vending, so let's just click on bulk candy for vending, and you can see for $15 you're gonna get all of this gumball machines candy starter kit or packets, Mike Ike's, I guess that's like bubblegum, M&Ms, and Skittles. Or you can just buy them separately, guys. 27 pounds for $60. That's quite a lot of candy for that, for just one Mike Ike's. And so you can come over here and just start choosing different candies, testing different candies. Again, testing different candies. So one machine can be used for, let's say, the Reese's peanut butters, and then the other one can be used for this Bones candy right here. And so we can test out 1 month with these two choices and then mix it up to see what attracts more attention. So possibly this Crybaby Tears Extra will attract more attention than what the Recess Pieces did, or vice versa. The Recess Pieces attracted more attention than the Crybaby Tears extra sour candy did. So you can just choose different stuff to see what is going to work in your neighborhood, around the stores that you place them at. Or let's say we can do like a hair salon or a dentist, or not a dentist, but you know, just different locations, guys. Just choose and ask for the owner of that location, make a deal with them, place these machines in there. And once we start making some money from these machines, guys, the next step I want to show you is, once you have, like, let's say 4 machines, right? Go. So let's say we have 4 vending machines right now that are making us around $20 to $30 profit every single month. So once we get that, guys, and we start saving this money, because it is part of your business, just start saving at the moment. So you're gonna have to go back and check almost like 2-3 times a week, or 2 times a week, just to make sure that the candy machines are filled with candy, and just start taking out the coins and the money from these vending machines, guys. So once you actually get all that said and done, and you get a couple hundred or couple $1,000 from this, and it's not gonna be from one day to another. This is a side hustle. So once you actually get all that money, I want to show you something real quick. The next step is that you can sell them all at a bulk. So let's say you have 4 or 5 machines and you want to get rid of them because you want to upgrade now. Now we're in the profit of upgrading our candy machines, our business. So now we're gonna move up to vending machines. So let's say we're gonna get some vending machines going. So let's go to vending machines right here, guys. And then within the vending machines, look how much they cost. So as you can see, guys, this one right here, this Coca-Cola vending machine is around $1,000. So we have other ones like this one's $150. We have this one for $350. So you can see the prices of these vending machines. This one's, I think it's like cold food. So you can go in there and put like food inside of that machine that rotates. So I've seen some of these around stores and locations and stuff like that. So snack vending machine. So you can have a snack vending machine, guys. We have just upgraded from candy machines to vending machines. Now the next step is to actually get the products and put them in there and look for different locations again. And then once we repeat this process, the next step would be posting on Craigslist or posting on here and hiring people to actually go get the money for you, to actually go over there and refill these actual vending machines for you. And then you can just keep on starting to buy more and more vending machines as time goes on, because there are thousands of businesses everywhere around the world where there's people going inside of a store, buying products, or sitting down and just waiting, and could just want a snack at that moment, and you're gonna be there to actually take their money and then give. I'm pretty sure most of you guys have actually bought something from a vending machine before, so you know exactly where you can actually place these at. Wherever you feel like you are sitting down for a long time and you just want something to snack on, or something to drink, or possibly even something to eat, then you can go over there and try to place that vending machine there, guys, and start seeing where the traffic is going. So this is another way, or another method that you can start making money from vending machines itself, is going over here back to this store that is called candymachines.com, and you can come over here and buy little toys. Look at that, we have finger fidget spinners. There are toys filled vending capsules. So there's like little capsules where they can open it up, I guess, and get like a little toy, or even has these squishy land squishies. So there's different stuff, guys, that you can actually start doing within these vending machines instead of selling candies. Look, there's vending tattoos, stickers, bouncy balls, plush toys, licensed vending capsules. So there's hundreds of different products that you can use and put inside of your vending machines to possibly get more traffic to that machine and start making some money, guys. As you can see right here, guys, I just got through creating this Discord a couple of days ago, and I'm trying to drive some traffic to this, which I already have a total of 27 or 33 members, guys. How crazy is that? If you want to join in on this Discord, because I recently just given away a free $5 and just out of nowhere, guys. So if you want to start getting some free money for doing absolutely nothing but just joining the Discord and learning about different money making methods, like right here, let's talk. You can see my video video right here, guys, which is a really a really funny one, because this was my advertisement whenever I was in wholesaling houses or real estate. When I made an advertisement, and this was like a couple of years ago when I was into selling real estate, and I just was motivated, and this was like pretty much my first video I ever made on camera and actually showed another human being, or human beings at that, guys. So I was kind of shy inside of this video, but it's a really cool one, and I'm starting to show you guys more and more about me and more about how my brain works and different money making tactics and methods. And on top of that, guys, Virus has recently just got a couple of referrals on some of his actual links that he's been posting inside of this Discord as well. So Virus, I really appreciate you joining in. And on top of that, guys, this Nadav, I really appreciate you as well, man. I really appreciate you as well, and thank you guys for actually joining in on this Discord and starting to grow this community. I'm going to start giving away a lot of money on Discord itself once the community starts to grow. And even on top of that, guys, I want to let you guys know about this premium up here. And the reason why I'm having a premium and I'm actually charging you guys to be a part of the premium, and it's only $10 a month, is because I'm going to literally help you guys out and the way you think, because I used to be the same way. I used to be that one person that never was so shy to make videos or so shy to actually get in contact with another person. But I have learned the ways on how to actually change my mind and learn the ways on how to actually just take action on something. And I want to help you guys out with that. If you have a business that you need help with any opinion, any help with the way your brain thinks, I'll be more than happy to help you out and tell you exactly what you need to do in order to start helping your brain change the way it thinks. Because we have all been trapped inside of like a circle from whenever we were younger and told what we need to do and what needs to be done and what bad things, and don't talk to strangers and all this other stuff, guys. But if you can change the way you think and change all the negativity that is inside your brain at the moment, anything is possible on this planet. This is a planet that is an economic planet, guys. So you can start making money. Money is unlimited. The Federal Reserve just keeps on printing money, guys. Printing money. That means money is just everywhere. And if we are all here and wanting to make money, guys, I'm going to be the person to help you out, because I am still in that transition to being wealthy. I am still in transition on changing my brain, but I have learned a lot. I've been studying for almost 6 or 7 years on how the brain thinks, of different money making methods, on real estate, on how your credit score works or how the credit system works, on different stuff, guys. So that's only $10 a month. And if you do not like the information that I'm giving you, go ahead and just cancel the subscription. It's fine with me. I'm just here to help a group of people out to get started in their life, to get started in their future. So make sure you click on the link down in the comment section of this video and in the description if you are interested in joining the Discord and being a part of this growing community, because I'm going to keep on growing this community as much as it takes in order to get a lot of people helping out each other, guys. So this was just a video for me to show you a new side hustle that you can possibly get started right away and start making some money while we are all at home, guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below if you guys have any questions. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to learn other ways on how to make money online. And guys, until next time, peace.